everybody, electric field due to a charged shell. Now take a shell, center is this 0 and its radius is r. Q charge is given to this, plus Q charge is given to this shell. Now, assuming Gaussian surface, this is the Gaussian surface whose radius is small r. Electric field, this is a small area. Electric field coming out from this is equal to ds, and area vector, electric field coming out is E and area vector is ds. The angle between them, theta, is equal to 0. Now, first position, when the point P lies outside the sphere. First point, when the point P, this is point P lies outside the sphere. Outside the sphere means this is called Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. On this we have to find out electric field. Flux is equal to E dot ds, that is equal to E s cos theta. Theta is between them is equal to 0. Therefore, E s. S is the surface of a surface area of Gaussian surface, that we can write down 4 pi r square. This is the area of Gaussian surface whose radius is small r. But flux is equal to E 4 pi epsilon naught upon Q upon epsilon naught. Now electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught upon Q upon R square. Q upon R square. That is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. This is the electric field of radius small r which is Gaussian surface outside the sphere. In this case, r is greater than small r. Now, in second case, that is, this is A and B. If r is equal to r, then electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught upon, we can write down Q upon R square is upon Q, but Q is equal to surface charge density, that is equal to sigma is equal to Q upon surface charge density. This Q is equal to sigma into 4 pi r square. Now putting this value, four pi r square into sigma. This will cancel, this will also cancel. Electric field E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Now in third case, if the point lies inside the electric field, this point, this is the Gaussian surface. If the point lies inside the spherical shell, this radius is r dash. In this case, electric field four pi r dash square is equal to inside of a shell, when charge on the surface of the shell, inside electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Therefore, electric field will be 0. Hence, if the charge is outside the surface of this, Gaussian surface is also away from this, electric field will be different. But if the charge is on the surface, electric field inside the sphere will be 0.